In this lesson, guys, we'll take a look at group by range node. So here in the network editor, I will type geo and dive inside and delete this node, and let's create a sphere, and I will change the primitive type to polygon mesh because I want them to be quads. Okay, and let's create the group by range. Group by range. Okay, and here, guys, you see the group name. You can specify the group name, and here you see the group type. You can choose primitives or points. Okay, in my case I will choose primitives, and here the method I will change that to start int. I will show you in a moment what that means. Okay, so if I zoom in here, you see I have one polygon selected. If I come here and set this one to 10, for example, now I have 10 polygons selected from 0 to 10. If you click here, guys, you can show the primitive numbers. Okay, so here you see I have numbers from 0 to 10. Okay, and here you see I have the invert range. So if I clicked on that, now I inverted the selection. Okay, so now I selected every polygon except from 0 to 10. And here you see the range filter. Okay, so let's disable that for a moment. And here you see I have the range filter. This is 1 and 1. If I set this one to 2, now the group node selecting half the polygons. Okay, because 1 is half of the 2. Okay, so let's leave that to 1. Okay, now let's create the delete node. So I will hit tab and type delete, and let's connect the delete node. And now if I specify the group, this is the group I created. Now I am deleting the group. So let's make something interesting here. So if I come to group range, and here I will delete the 10, and then I will type $capital F. So what this means, guys, this will select, for example, if you set this one to 31, you see here I have 31. So this is the frame number. Okay, and another thing, I don't want to delete what I created the group for the polygons. I want to delete the inverse. Okay, so I can come here, and in the delete node I will go to operation and type delete non-selected. Okay, so now I have these polygons, and now if I hit play, you see I am creating polygons by the time. Okay, so let's go further, and I will create extrude, poly extrude, and then let's create that, and let's set the distance, for example, something like that. And here I will change the divide into individual elements. So I want every element separated from the other one. Okay, so now if I come here and hit tab again and type bevel, and I will click on poly bevel, and now let's set a distance, something like that. Okay, and as you see the bevel is too sharp, so I can change that from here. I set that to rounded. Okay, so now it's rounded. Let's disable the show primitive numbers, and now if I click play, you see I have this effect. Okay, you can go further, guys, by coming here and hit tab and type sort. So now I will change the primitives number, the order of the numbers. Okay, so if I clicked on this one again, so now you see if I come here to the primitive sort, I can change that to random. Okay, so now I have random values. So now if I hit play, let's change that to random. Let's see why this didn't update. Sort, by type, by random, reverse. I don't know why it's not updating here. Let's Let's create it again. Sort. Let's do that, and let's see why the numbers is not updating. Okay, now it's updating. I don't know why that didn't update. Random. Okay, so now it's updating. So now I will go again to polybevel. So now you see I have random values. So if I click there and let's hit play, actually sometimes I don't know why Houdini is not updating, so I deleted the node and created it again. Okay, so you can right click here and let's create a play blast and see what we get. Try to load your own 3D model, guys, and create and change some values and try your own effect and upload it on YouTube and post the link in the discussion so I can see what you created. Okay, so let's see what we get. Okay, so that's it for this lesson, guys. I will see you in the next lesson.